welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be sharing and playing with two super cute palettes that I ordered off of hush.com, and we're going to be talking about this beautiful hair that I ordered off of aliexpress.com. The link will be in the description box, but details will be in this video. And before you click off of this video to go hit the link, please listen to the information that I have to share about this hair and this company in the video before you make this order, honey, because you're gonna need this piece of information. All right, guys, so before we get into this video, I just wanted to point out that my foundation, my setting, my primer, all that, from my face to my eyes to my brows, were all done off camera for time's sake. So continue watching the video to the end to see how I achieved the look from the beginning. G-M-K.
Yeah. From the front, from the back. Okay now, gangsta fear. Only time I can in ya want a beer. Only time I feel na ya dance that cheer. And if ya come in ya crystal clear. She want a fear. Fuck it and I win it ya pants clear. Only time I fit in one ya can't stop clear. Only fun I come in one ya crystal clear. God don't you? Feet don't stop clear. Only time I want it ya fist clear. Come it ya want it ya beast up here. Only time ya come in ya crystal clear. Why don't you be it too? Mal it too, feel it too, jag it too, buy it too, feel it too. Wanna crystal clear, okay now. Shorty, in the back of the days and wanna free telling I wanna kiss and I bread. The shorty give me nothing and I wanna piece of my days. See, tough it too now when I gonna sit a fighter. Only now wanna be someone that get a piper. Only now wanna straight it down me who the kiter. Me really benefit the one at the biter. Chickily the me no chickily pump on the pump. Only fun up in the rock of the socket the tonton.
She wanna go shopping in Dubai. Shorty make her Grwm and cry. I'm only 19, but shorty I can make your night. My girl careless, she sloppy with the handling, Ooh, my girl careless, she sloppy with the brain. Baby, make it rain on me. Say you daddy, put your stain on me. White girls like cocaine on me. Miss that engine, they know me. Gangsta fear, shorty shine like chandelier. She dripping on my hands like manicure. Cause she know that boom fat like panda beer. Oh no, no. My woman, my superwoman. I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. Die for the love. Girl, I want me, she want for the love. Die for the love. Girl, I want me, die for the love. Die for the love. Girl, I want me, she want for the love. Girl, die for the love. Girl, die for the love.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. Let me just say that I absolutely love this palette. Like, I've had this palette sitting for weeks. I was like, nope, I'm not gonna touch this palette. The first time I'm gonna actually touch this palette is when I'm making this video today, and I'm just, I mean, the colors are so creamy, it melts on your eyelid. I mean, dupe or not, fake or real, I don't know, whatever, I love it. This particular brand, which is Bad Habit, they usually have a good rep with their makeup. I absolutely love this palette. So let me give you guys a closer look at the palette now that I've played with it a little bit. All right, so over here we have the Inferno palette. So if you look at it here, they have this beautiful dark brown color. It's like mocha chocolate. I definitely love it. And we have these browns here, which is good for like transition colors. They have a couple shimmers on top. I guess I'll swatch a few so you guys can kind of see. So the first one I'm gonna swatch is Ignite, because that's one of the colors that I didn't use here in the corner. So I'm gonna swatch that on my hand. It's just like a really pretty brown shimmery color. Okay, so the next color I'm going to swipe is Blaze up here, right on the arm, right next to it. There, you can see it better. So it kind of gives you like a pinky shimmery color. Okay, Okay, let's try this dark brown here. This is Smolder. I actually use Smolder on the creases of my eye, but I'll show you guys what Smolder looks like by itself. This is a dark brown color. It's like a nice brown mocha chocolate. I think I just want some chocolate right now. I keep mentioning chocolate, I don't know. But this is White Hot. This color, honestly, I don't see myself wearing a color like this. It's just, I don't know. So that's White Hot. Just looks like your regular white color. I mean, I guess it's good for like inner corners or something like that, but so I think this is really nice for like your everyday if you're going out. It's your, you know, it's really simple, but you can play with it with other palettes and just build it up, build it down, add some shimmer, keep it matte. All right, so the next palette that we're gonna go into is the Athena palette. Now this palette is a popular makeup palette that I've seen all over YouTube and on Hush. This is what it looks like here. They actually come with mirrors, and that I love. I never knew how convenient it was to have a mirror in your eyeshadow palette. Like, it just saved me from holding a mirror here, holding my eyeshadow palette here, holding my brush here, and just trying to maneuver everything. Thank you, Hush. Thank you, Bad Habit, for listening. Listening to the makeup people. So this is what the palette looks like. As you can see, there's a couple touch palettes because I've been playing with it. So let's see. The first color I want to swatch, let's try this purple color here because I didn't use this color, and it is called Justice. All right, so this is her. This is Epic is my middle finger, and Gleam is my index finger. So here's Epic. You see how it just like, I don't know, it just glides on. And this is Gleam. So that's what that looks like. A little different. Epic is more of a purple undertone while Gleam is more bluish. Okay, I'm just making sure I'm using real words here. All right, so here's Divine, honey, yes. This camera is not doing it any justice. Oh, here it goes. So it's more like a, actually on camera it looks more like a champagne color, but in person it looks like this like burnt orange, shimmer like burnt orange color. It's so pretty. I'll try this yellow color, this orange color here. It's called Lore, L-O-R-E. Watch that over here. And that's what it looks like. You can't even see it. Medusa on the middle finger. So this is Medusa. Poppin'. All right, so basically, when it comes to more of the matte colors, I think you're definitely gonna need some type of a setting spray or to spray it with water or something like that to really get it to apply seamlessly, depending on the color. When it comes to the more shimmer colors, the glittery colors, they glide on like butter, honey, butter. But overall, I give this palette a 10 out of 10. I love this palette. I love the colors. I love the cost. I love how fast I received it. But let me just state that this video is not sponsored, honey. I am not on that level yet. This video is not sponsored. I purchased on both palettes with my own money. I just wanted to share this with you guys. The next thing I want to go into is this hair. This is a hair that I've actually ordered from Isee Beauty off of AliExpress. Isee Beauty is a vendor on AliExpress, but they also have their own site that you can order hair from. So here's the tea. It is a Mongolian kinky curly hair, and I only got a frontal, a 16-inch frontal in 2 bundles, 20 inches and 22 inches. So that's it. Like, the hair it gets really big. Like, I co-washed it this morning just to make this video, but it gets really big. It can get big if you comb it and play with it enough. I'm not gonna say it doesn't shed. It sheds like your typical natural hair would. I haven't tried straightening it. I haven't tried blow drying it or really coloring it or doing anything else to it. I don't think I'm going to color it, but I will try curling it, putting like bigger curls in it, and blow drying it out just to see what it looks like. This is the frontal. I didn't bleach it or tweeze it or anything. I just put like a little bit of concealer on the part here because I was being really lazy. So here is the back, and I am 5'7", so So it goes up to like bra strap, I guess. This is the other side. Nonetheless, the curls are really cute though.
Why you mad? Why you mad? Why you mad? You mad? Oh no. I'm fucking your bitch, but you buying the cars. I ride in the bed of my boss. My neck and my wrist on paper. Paper and paper, don't relay the mayor. Shorty, she know I'm a player. She think from Jamaica.
I actually ordered it from AliExpress. I did co-wash it, but it's more of a wavy texture. I didn't bother coloring it. I didn't bother shampooing it or putting any products in it because I was like, I didn't know what I was in for. So when I messaged the company, they were trying to tell me that they're gonna guide me to place my order on their website instead so that I can get the better hair. And I'm just like, what you mean the better hair? Like, your hair should be good wherever you sell it. Like, what do you mean you have one area where you sell it better than another area? What type of gaga caca shit is that? Like, okay, if you want the better quality hair, go on their website, because apparently AliExpress is not where it's at when it comes to this particular brand. That's just what I'm getting. So you pretty much made it to the end of this video. I was able to show you two really super dope ass palettes from Hush.com that you can get, and I shared with you this beautiful hair that I ordered off of AliExpress.com. So you got a lot out of me on this one video. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, hit that notification, you know, all that good stuff, and stay blessed.
Got a whole lot of cash. Money on top, got money on the floor, got money in the bag. Why you mad? Why you mad? Why you mad? Why you mad? You mad?